So today I'm going to talk about the image editing screen case, and I'm going to talk about this app so we can get started and upload the picture, and you can change like everything, like you want to change your hair colors and some image. It's like you can add some specific image in here, like that. And also you can text something. You can text like love. Oh, like here you can pick different color here. And also you can change some like background color. This is like, yeah, you can change some background colors, like make it different. It's all free, we can see that. And you feel your skin is not like fresh, and you can do some like make your skin more perfect. And then you can manage like you can editors the the size, like which part you don't want to show that, you can just cut off that. Okay, that's all. That's it. Today's I'm talking about.